There are technically different types of C++ functions. While the overall construction is exactly the same, spacing wise, and you got stuff that's in between the squiggly braces, you have parentheses, that's similar, but you'll actually notice that each of these functions, when you dig deeper into it, they all come up with different things here. Number one, this first function with a procedure, you see void being highlighted right now. Now, that really technically means that the function does some work. I want to make sure you understand that. But it doesn't return any type of calculation back to you. It doesn't return a number, it doesn't return a string, it returns void. But again, it's still going to do some work. Whereas if I go to any of the other two, let's start with predicate first. You'll see that this function is actually going to return a Boolean value. So notice, as all three are being highlighted here, it's telling you what return types that function's going to physically return back to your program, either a void in this case, a bool, or a float. A predicate is Boolean based. It's true or false. So you see that this function is returning literally a true or a false in one of the two cases, and it tells you that, hey, it's going to be returning a Boolean, which is going to be either true or false. The last one down here for average. You can see some calculations being done, and this function's physically going to return some type of float value back to your program in order for it to do its job. So those are the three different types of C++ functions that you can have, and notice how easy it is to really determine which type it really is.